Hello. Sometime when you host the website in the Cloudflare, we see too many redirects. So this can be solved easily, very quickly. Okay, so open the your Cloudflare and go to the website and select your website. Then go to SSL and TLS. Okay, so currently encryption mode is flexible, activated. So we need to configure it. Just make it full, so the it will be changed, and save it. The current encryption mode is full. So let's visit the website and reload the page. It's very quickly it has been solved. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.